Hello to all drivers and beginners. I am glad to welcome you to the Drive It Easy channel. Today we will consider two situations that will definitely be in your life. I urge you to subscribe, like and of course comment. Only in dialogue can the truth be known. Let's get started. We see two cars moving in the same direction. The white car is moving in the far right lane and intends to stay there. The red car is moving in the left lane and intends to change to the far right lane. What is the only correct decision in this situation? Choose one of the options. A. The red car slows down, lets the white car pass, and then turns into the right lane. B. The red car picks up speed and changes lanes, hoping to turn where it needs to go. C. The red car starts to change lanes in the hope that the white car will miss. D. Your option. Write in the comments what answer you gave. So the correct answer is A. The red car slows down, lets the white car pass, and then turns into the right lane. In this situation, the red car should slow down and safely turn into the right lane after the white car. This is according to logic and the rules. In order to consolidate the knowledge, let's consider another traffic situation. In this situation, two cars are also moving in the same direction. But the white car has an obstacle in its lane. Choose one of the given options for action in this situation. A. The white car will speed up to catch up with the red one. B. White will slow down, let the red car pass and change lanes. C. The white car will try to change lanes without slowing down. D. Your option. The correct answer is B. White will slow down, let the red car pass and change lanes. Please write in the comments what answer you gave. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video was useful for you. Be careful on the road and take care of yourself.